How to create a new Valorant account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser and search for Valorant. Now open up the first website. Now tap on Play Free and tap on Make One. Now enter your email. Now tap on Next. Now enter your birth date. Now tap on Next again. Now enter your username and tap on Next. Now enter your password. Again tap on Next. Now tap on Accept. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.